So this tutorial is about multiplication with two-digit numbers. We're going to be using the grid method, which you've seen before, but it's just a little bit different when we've got two-digit numbers. So let's see how it's different. Let's say your average speed on a bicycle is 17 kilometers per hour. If you rode your bike 1 hour each day of the 7-week summer holiday, how far would you have ridden altogether? Well, from the information we have, the speed is in kilometers per hour. That means every hour you go 17 kilometers. So we first have to find out how many hours it is that you rode for the summer. It's 7 days in a week, and you are on holiday for 7 weeks. So altogether, there were 7 times 7 days in your holiday. Well, that's 49 days, but you also know that each day you rode for 1 hour. So it also means you've ridden for 49 hours in total. Well, if you go 17 kilometers in 1 hour, and then you ride 49 hours altogether, that means your total distance is going to be 17 multiplied by 49, because you're traveling 17 kilometers for each hour. So basically you're adding 17 together 49 times. And we'll write that as 49 multiplied by 17. Now this is different from the other multiplication problems we've had in the past because we have two-digit numbers this time. So we need a different kind of grid. Our grid is going to need 2 squares for the 17 and then 2 squares for the 49. So it'll be 2 squares by 2 squares. All right. And now we break up the numbers using our place value terms. So 49 breaks up into 40 and 9, and 17 breaks up into 10 and 7. And we can fill in these boxes just as we did before. So here we have 40 times 10, that's 400. In this square we've got 10 times 9, 90. Here we have 7 times 40. 7 times 4 is 28, so 7 times 40 will be 10 times bigger than that. 280. And finally in this square, 7 times 9 is 63. Because we broke up the numbers into these different pieces before we multiplied them, to find the final answer we have to put all of these pieces back together. We'll start with these two pieces because they're already on top of each other. It should make column addition fairly easy. So 400 plus 280. That's 680. And now we'll add together these two, the 90 and the 63. 90 plus 63 is 153. But we're not done yet. We have to add these two pieces together. You might not see straight away what it is, so I'm going to do a column addition over here. 480 plus 153. 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 5 is 13. So we carry the 1 over to the next column and then put the 3 there. And then 1 plus 6 plus 1. So we have 833 after we've added all of those pieces back together. So that means 833 is the result of our multiplication with 49, and 17. That's 833 kilometers of bicycle riding.